If you want to get the best router tables according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Router Table. Even if space is limited in your workshop, there's still room for a router table. Measuring just 8 inches by 6 inches, Dremel's portable table might just be the smallest router table on the market. This attachment connects to a Dremel corded or cordless rotary tool and transforms the device into a wood shaper. The Dremel 231 is made of durable and lightweight plastic, so it's easy to store or carry to the worksite. This table mounts to a workbench with standard C-clamps, or you can permanently mount it with screws via pre-molded mounting holes. Other key features on this Dremel router table attachment include a fence for precision cuts and a plastic safety guard. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Bosch Cabinet-Style Router Table RA1171. You won't have to worry about dust if you choose this cabinet-style router table from Bosch, which contains 2 dust collection ports that keep your workshop sawdust-free. The table has 2 easy-to-use feather boards, which provide extra guidance and protection against kickback and are fully adjustable to fit a variety of workpieces. This cabinet-style router table's large 25-inch by 15.5-inch laminated workbench top has an aluminum mounting plate, which is pre-drilled for use with various routers and allows you to make above table height adjustments. Other reasons this router table is worthy of consideration: it has a large aluminum fence, a dual-outlet power switch, and can be mounted to a workbench via 4 pre-drilled holes. The cabinet offers additional storage space for router bits and accessories. The number 3 position is held by Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. With its sturdy construction and long list of additional features, this Bosch benchtop router table is a worthy addition to any home workshop. It features an ample 26-inch by 16.5-inch workspace, which can capably handle boards up to 6 or 7 feet long. A 1-inch thick laminated MDF top provides a sturdy place on which to work. Its tall fence with 2 adjustable feather boards serves as a stout guide when running material through the router. The base plate uses a click mounting system that attaches to the router in seconds. The table has bins integrated into its legs for storing extra bits and base plates. A T-slot runs the length of the table and works with the included miter gauge. Foldable legs make this 33-pound router table portable as well. Next at number 4, we have Skil MDF Router Table RA1171. You can complete essential routing jobs with this Skil router table, fold it up, and store it neatly when you are done using it. Skil's router table sets up and breaks down fast with a quick mounting system that attaches and uninstalls the router in seconds, and legs that conveniently fold into the body. The tabletop is constructed of a sturdy MDF, and the base is a durable molded plastic. Though portable, this table sports a lot of cool features, including a replaceable MDF fence, storage boxes for bits and accessories, a bit height gauge to improve the accuracy of cuts, pin guards for routing curved pieces, and 2 adjustable feather boards. The Skil router table is compatible with all major brands of routers. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Kreg PRS5000 Precision Router Lift. This router lift from Kreg takes a router table to the next level by dramatically improving the base plate's precision and functionality. The lift replaces the router table stock base plate with one that can make micro adjustments to a bit height down to 1/1000th of an inch, allowing for precision router work. This lift also allows the operator to raise the bit high enough for bit changes so the router doesn't have to be detached from the table. With the adjuster handle at the top of the table, there's no need to grope under the table to change the height of the bit. The router lift plate measures 3/8 inch thick by 9 and is 1/4 inches wide by 11 and 3/4 inches long, which is compatible with most router table brands. The plate's mounting pattern fits most routers. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.